Alright guys, here we are. Today we're making garlic mashed potatoes. That's basically the point of the video. I'm serving it with steak and some fresh green beans from my grandmother's garden. And my mom actually made a nice chickpea salad on the side with some tomatoes and cucumbers from my Vo's garden. And she put in an onion and a bunch of lemon and salt and pepper, and it looks delicious. If she wants to just show you there, we're going to serve that on the side. So for the garlic mashed potatoes, I just take a clove of garlic and I cut it up really fine. I put margarine in a pan and let it saute for about a minute, just in the garlic with some salt and pepper. So I'll do that for about a minute, and then I'm going to pour some milk in it. Just want to come out here, side of me here. I'm just going to flip the steaks real quick. Okay, so after that saute, so we get some salt and pepper, just pour some milk in it. And turn it down so it just starts to come to like a nice little low simmer. Like I've already done this, it's been simmering for about 10 minutes. So that's what I like to do. My garlic mash. Now when I whip the potatoes, I'll just pour that right in as my dressing, or my sauce for the potatoes. So that'll give it the garlic flavor. Now on top of the garlic, there is a little bit of basil in there. That's what's giving it the green color. So I always cut my potatoes smaller because I find they boil faster. Like they'll soften quicker. So when I go to mash them, I just pour this right in here. Mix it all up real good. They're a little runny right now because I mixed in the stuff that I showed you guys how to do it with, and I didn't originally plan on doing that and I forgot. I just went with it, but they won't be as runny if you put in less, but they're still going to be good. So we're going to go come back out here, flip the steaks. Feels like done. Here's one with a nice diamond. To get the diamond, when you put it on the barbecue, you want to put it on like a 15-degree angle, and then when you flip it somewhere where you haven't put it on the heat already on another 15-degree angle, and it'll give you that diamond. So I'll put the steak there. Serve these potatoes. Give it a little sprinkle for color and eye appeal. Now these are fresh out of my Vo's garden. They're string beans, and I absolutely love these things. They're so good. So I just pop those on the plate like that. I always like to put a little bit of butter on it, just to let it melt down. And even with the steak, you can sprinkle a little bit of butter on there just to give it a nice little glaze. So there you have it anyways. The point of the video basically was the garlic mashed potatoes, but that's a nice looking supper right there. Alright, thanks guys, thanks for watching.